Hi designers, today I'm going to show you how you can use procedural crowds. I believe you have seen this type of tutorials on, but I'm going to use this add-on and I will show you how you can create your own custom avatar and designs and get here. The first step is in Clo. I have my outfit created, everything is finished for Clo. And now what I will do is put the avatar in T-pose. And how I do this is by going to avatar and you will find show avatar joins. I am going to move it in a T-pose just like this. You have to check that your UVs are in one tile. So how you do this, you go to materials, UV editor, you drag your page and you see that I have everything in one tile. If your patterns are all scattered, you just select all of them, click right, and fit UV to 0 to 1. After you have your avatar in T-pose and all your UVs in one tile, you go to File, Export, FBX. Select Avatar, Single Object, Thin, Scale in meters because it's for Blender. And now it's exporting. Next step is Blender. Open Blender. This is the cube. You can click it and click X to delete. File, import our FBX. Okay, this is it. Mine has an armature because it did have an animation. So I'm going to delete that. And now you'll see my character is actually down. So I'm going to put RX90. And you will notice that the garment is not completely on it. So what I'm going to do is move it a little bit. So I can put it right back where it was. Okay, looks pretty good. Now I'm going to need to connect the body and the cloth together. So I'm going to select everything and Control J. Now everything is in one layer. And at this point, I will export it as FBX to import it into Mixamo. So File, Export, FBX. Name it FBX Mixamo. All right, now let's go to upload character. Select our FBX Mixamo and import or upload. Here's gonna take a few seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now I'm gonna click next. Let's put all the placemakers. It's ready, press next. And now we can choose our motion. Okay, I think I'm going to choose this one, Capoeira. I think it's pretty cool. And this is how it moves. I'm going to download this one. And I think I looked for this ballerina pose before. I thought it's pretty cool. And maybe I can move the arm space. Okay, and this is it. I'm going to download this as well. And now I'm back in Blender. I have imported my Mixamo. You go to File, Import, and FBX, and then I just imported the post one and also the one that has the animation, as you can see here. I am going to use procedural crowds to create my crowd. You basically go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and then from here you install from disk. you select your add-on and then install from disk. So here is the link if you want to install your procedural crowds add-on, where you can find it and download it, and then you can install it like how I showed you. Then after it's installed, you will see it on this side. Basically, you click here and then it will show up, procedural crowds. And first you can do Shift A, select a plane, and then here's where I'm going to place my crowd. They have pre-selected models here. So I go to casual humans. Doesn't really matter what you select here. I'll show you why. So first, add crowd. So instead of having these pre-selected models with this specific mesh, you can do them on your own. First, I select my model. I click M, new collection, name it dance. And when I go to my crowds, you see you have the collection. So you can choose a collection of people. I'm going to click X. There's no more crowds. I'm going down and go to dance. And there you go. You have them. In your collection, they're all going to do the same thing, the same dance or whatever you want to have them do. And here you can literally lift them up. And obviously now you can choose them to be in different scenarios. You can have them move like so. And after some tweaking, this is basically how I have them selected. They're like different groups. I literally copied them and pasted them, which is Shift D if you want to create a different crowd with the same element. So Shift D and then G to grab, and look, you have another one. If you hit 7 and look from above, it's more of a triangle. I put the dancer pose in the middle. And if I go now to viewport shading, this is how they look like. And let's play it. Okay, so you can see them move here. I added a camera and the lighting. Let me know if you want me to showcase more of that as well, how you can do it, maybe a new tutorials about cameras, movement, and lighting. See you in the next one.